What is going on, guys? My name is Tyranadon, and today I need all of you guys watching to help find a cure for coronavirus. So as you might know, the world is currently going through the COVID-19 pandemic. Hundreds of thousands of cases, tens of thousands of deaths. All these values on the screen are correct at the time of recording this video. So what I need you guys to do is go to Folding at Home. I'll leave a link in the description, and I need you guys to download this software. Once you've done that, click this little arrow down here, right click on the Folding at Home logo and click on Advanced Control. Once that is open, go to Configure, Identity, put in your name and your passkey if you have one, and then put in the team number 256420. So that is a team that I have made for everyone watching this video to join, to share with their favourite YouTubers, musicians, celebrities, for them to get their subscribers and fans to join. It's called #foldingtocure, so use that hashtag when you're trying to share it. And what it's going to do is bring together a whole community of people, my subscribers, other people's subscribers, just everyone watching, the whole internet in theory will come together to do this. Once you've entered all this in, click on Advanced. Once you guys have done that, go to Cause Preference and click on Any. That will help find a cure for COVID-19. You can go for any of the other causes if you want to. If you've got family members with any of these and you want to help find a cure for those, go ahead. I just want everyone to come together to help find a cure for something. Once you've done that, click on Save and then just simply press Fold. And that will start your computer helping find a cure for COVID-19. So I understand a lot of you guys will be stuck at home and that you guys might be bored, but there are things to do. This could be the perfect time for you guys to learn to do something new, or just watch Netflix, YouTube, Amazon Instant Video, Twitch, or even just run around in your garden in circles to stay healthy. But please guys, just stay home. It's not difficult. Now I understand some of you guys may be worried that your computer's not good enough to run this. But trust me, as a team, you can run this software on a potato, on a £20,000 gaming computer. It doesn't matter. We'll all be putting in an effort to help find a cure. I want you guys to share this video with friends and family at your favourite YouTubers using the hashtag #foldingtocure. So if you want to help out, just remember to share this video, like this video, and thank you guys for downloading this software and for watching.